This is the Anker 622. Let's talk about it, and let's talk about why you should get one. If you're not familiar with Anker, Anker is top-notch when it comes to charging products. This is the Anker 622, but it is not the only Anker product that I own. I also have wireless charging pads and larger wired chargers, which I use a lot more for longer travel. But the focus of what I want to talk about today is the Anker 622, which is the one that I reach for pretty much every other day. This has wireless charging on it, and it will allow for magnetic connection with your MagSafe products. So that's when we're talking about your iPhones, those will connect on there. And I have a stronghold. And you can do it in portrait mode, or you can also put it into landscape mode, and that will work as well. And so this is the product that I desperately needed today, actually. Today I had a hell of a day. It was the kind of day where you wake up and your phone didn't charge actually overnight when you thought it was. I woke up with 30% charge, and I had 2 soccer games that I had to take my kids to bright and early. So after that, we had haircuts, and so we were basically on the go all day, really not sitting down for more than 10 minutes, so I'm not going to have a chance to sit there and charge my phone. So that is what I grabbed this morning. You wake up, you just slap that on there, and it automatically starts to charge up. And so this is realistically the one that you want when you're going to have one of those long days that you're never going to sit down and be able to charge your phone, or you have a long night and you know that you're going to want at least a little bit more charge by the end of the night just to be safe. But even if you don't have that kind of day, you're just sitting around the house, this is also the perfect product for you. It has a flap on the back here, which will magnetically connect to the back of the phone. And then you can just take that, work in your shop, do the dishes, do the laundry, not have to go plug your phone into the charger on the wall. You can keep watching your YouTube videos, or instead of listening to your game, you can actually watch it still, which is what I have done before. So you may be saying, okay, well, that's cool, but I don't have an iPhone, or I don't have wireless charging. And that's not a problem. If you have an Android phone, they make kits that go with it. I actually do have an Android phone, which I am going to connect this to. It's got a little alignment brick on the back here, which will help you align that with the actual charger. So you put that onto the back of your phone, your Android phone, and that will allow you to charge wirelessly all the same. Okay, well, you don't have wireless charging. That's not a problem either. This has a USB Type-C port on it, and that USB Type-C port works both ways. That is how you charge this battery, and it's also how you charge other devices. You can plug USB Type-C right into there and charge your other phone, which is not wireless charging and is not an iPhone. And that is where it plays into the rest of your EDC. So if you are walking around and you've got your AirPods or any other wireless earbuds, that's where this can work as well. Same thing, wireless charging. This has a magnet on the back, so it does connect right onto there, and it starts charging. But even if it is not magnetic, you can still place it right there on the wireless charger and it will charge up. One thing I did forget to add is that when you're doing your phone, say you did want to use this as just a kickstand, you didn't want to actually charge your phone because your battery on your phone was fully charged, you didn't want to waste the battery on this, you can press this, you'll see it'll automatically start charging. You'll see your battery going. If you hold that for a couple of seconds, then you let go, give it a couple seconds, those lights there will turn off as well. You can see that. So now you're able to watch your shows. You're not wasting the battery on the actual battery pack. You have a nice little kickstand there that you wanted to actually watch your shows on, instead of being that guy who has to go grab a water bottle or something and prop your phone up. Try not to let it fall because it's on a slippery surface. So as well, you can charge your flashlights. I was with a buddy the other day, and he needed me to help him in the yard at night, And I was like, oh, great. I carry a flashlight in my fanny pack, man purse, merce, waist pack, whatever you want to call it. I carry one in there every day. I've got this. And I didn't have it charged. I keep it in here, but I didn't keep it charged. And if I were to have this on me, I could have just charged it on the spot. So let me show you how that works. Anything that is USB Type A, you can buy a dongle. That's what it's called. Grow up. It's a dongle. And you plug that right into there. And then you plug right into the USB Type-C port, and you take your flashlight or other device that needs a charge, and you plug it in. Hit the battery power button. Connect it, actually. There you go. Does work. But even if you had like the USB Type-A proprietary magnetic charging on your flashlight, still you can plug that into there, plug it into here. You've got green indicator that you are charging, which would have been great to save my butt the other day when I thought I had a good flashlight to use and I didn't. So that is how it will work with your other devices. So if you don't want to carry around a USB Type-C cord with you every day and have a dongle with you every day, they do make little EDC charging cables, which are a couple inches long. They are magnetic and connect onto, say, your key ring, so that those can be with you every day as well. Do not take up much space, and I'll show a picture of that on the screen so that you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. Those would be great to carry with this as well. When it comes to charging, Anker's where I'm always going to end up leaning. I trust the product. I trust the brand. I think the Anker 622 is perfect for everybody's EDC and their just everyday use with their phone, flashlight, headphones, anything else that you need to be charging. If you're interested in getting one, there is an Amazon affiliate link down below. Thanks for watching.